party hat. We also have these cool noise makers. Stop it, hand. You want to keep me quiet. Stop it, hand. Okay.
Mine keeps on going a little askew.
Is that a New Year hat or is that a dunce cap?
Oh, and also we have these party poppers. You got it in my face!
And that's it from the Heimer household. Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year. It's been a while.
Happy New Year! Please let me down for a minute.
Here, wait, Joel, look, come here.
Yeah?
If I put Bree right next to me like this is great. Ready? We'll get ready and blow. Ready?
Do that again.
Ready? Ready, Bree?